Hey y'all, this is Jerry, and guess what? It's packing day. Everything is coming together, but first I need to get this mess organized, and there's some trash that I have to pick up. So my husband has been going crazy with this all spilling out of my craft area, my craft room. So kudos to him. But what I did was I started to sorting the products out into bins and putting like things together or putting things together that will be on tables the same table. And I didn't label anything because I use these clear bins and I just put in these small ones only one or two items, like my greeting cards take up one full bin and the little reindeer pouches take up one full bin, and you can clearly see all that. So I'm not going to bore you with any more of this because you know what's going on. I'm packing up. I am making sure and cleaning up the area. And then finally, this is what it looks like. This is now my hallway foyer. And I'm going to be packing a lot of this into my car very shortly. So it may be a couple of days before I get the video on, but like and subscribe. I will talk to y'all later.